Welcome to Best Choice. The best pool table parts is probably one of the most important aspects of enjoying a great game of pool. From the felt to the pockets, every part plays a crucial role in the game's performance. In this video, we'll dive into the essential components and accessories, helping you understand what makes a quality pool table and how to choose the right parts for your needs, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable playing experience. Number 5. American Legend Kirkwood 84 Billiard Table. This Kirkwood table features a rustic blonde finish and unique K-shaped legs. It's a fresh take on a classic design, sure to impress. At 84 inches, this table provides ample space for a competitive game. You'll feel like you're playing in a professional billiards club. The rustic blonde cabinet and royal blue cloth complement any room. Its design ensures it will be a stylish addition to your home. Uneven floors are no problem. The table includes shims, ensuring a level playing surface wherever you place it. The royal blue polyester cloth provides a smooth and consistent playing surface. It enhances the overall aesthetic and playability of the table. What we like. This table boasts a rustic, classic design that adds a unique touch to any room. It provides a large playing surface, perfect for competitive gameplay. Plus, you can play anywhere thanks to the included shims. If you are looking for a pool table that combines style, performance, and versatility, this is the one for you. What people say. The table is great but the cues are a little crappy. Assembly was easier than I expected. Table is very sturdy, very easy to put together. Number 4. Fat Cat Frisco 7.5-foot pool table, oak finish. Introducing the Fat Cat Frisco pool table. It's the ideal size for both youth and adult players. This table is a perfect addition to any game room. Don't worry about uneven floors. This table comes with a built-in leg leveling system. It makes setup easy, so you can start playing right away. The Accessory surface is a lightweight and affordable alternative to slate. It's designed to stay level for years. You can play with confidence knowing it's warranted for 7 years. The table features strong, solid wood rails. They are 6 inches wide and 1.5 inches thick. These rails are equipped with K66 rubber bumpers for elastic responsiveness. The Frisco pool table comes with everything you need to get started. It includes 2 57-inch cues, chalk, a resin triangle, a rail brush, and a set of billiard balls. What we like. This table is the ideal size for both youth and adult players. It features a built-in leg leveling system, ensuring a level playing field even on uneven surfaces. The Accessory surface is a lightweight and affordable alternative to slate. If you are looking for a table that is easy to set up and move, this is a great choice. What people say. Assembly was pretty straightforward, it will require at least 2 people to assemble. The packaging and protection of contents is excellent. The assembly was time-consuming but easy with the clear and understandable instructions. Number 3. FERCAISH 6 PCS Billiard Table Liners Accessory Set. Introducing the FERCAISH Billiard Table Liner Set. This accessory set includes everything you need to maintain your pool table. It's a great way to keep your game in top shape. This set includes 4 punched corner liners and 2 side liners. They are designed to replace old or damaged liners, ensuring a smooth game. It's a complete solution for your pool table needs. Made from high-quality rubber, these liners are wear-resistant and impact-resistant. They are built to last, providing long-term performance. You can count on them for durability. The liners are lightweight and easy to install. They are suitable for various pool tables, including free play and coin-operated tables. You can quickly set them up and start playing. These liners fit most pool tables and can be cut to suit your table perfectly. The corner liners are approximately 23 centimeters, and the side liners are about 17 centimeters. It's designed for a great fit. We are committed to providing excellent products and service. If you have any issues, please contact us. We will do our best to assist you with any concerns. What we like. These pocket liners are made of durable plastic. They are easy to install and fit most pool tables. If you have damaged or old liners, or if you are looking for a spare set, these are the perfect solution. What people say. Really finished off our table. Looks like new now. These were exactly what we needed. We built a pool table and these worked well. Good material. Good fit for my 9-foot table. Number 2. Scott Edwards 6 PCS Billiard Pockets. These pool table pockets are made of durable plastic. It's designed for easy cleaning and long-lasting use, ensuring it can withstand frequent use. Replacing your old ball pockets is now easier than ever. This product allows for a simple, one-step fix, saving you time and effort. The pockets come in a generous and elegant dark color. This design allows it to match most pool tables, enhancing the overall look. It provides an economical way to fix your ball pocket problems. This product offers a satisfying solution without breaking the bank. This is a good billiard accessory for any pool table. It's a must-have for anyone looking to maintain or upgrade their pool table setup. What we like. These pockets are made of durable plastic and are easy to DIY. They offer an economical fix for ball pocket problems. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to fix your pool table, consider these. What people say. Installation was simple enough by folding the web pocket inward, then squeezing the circumference to a smaller diameter and sliding into position from the top down. Reinstalled after the trimming and it did the job perfectly and appearance met expectations. I did have to cut and modify the 2 middle pockets to fit. Number 1. EastPoint Sports Masterton 87-inch Pool Table. We've upgraded the packaging to protect this table during shipping. Extra corner and edge protection has been drop tested to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Get ready to call your shots. Whether you're into 8-ball, 9-ball, or just a casual game, this table is perfect. Use your skill and strategy to outmaneuver your opponents. This traditional billiards table is the perfect size for your game room. It measures 87 inches by 50 inches, and is recommended for rooms larger than 17 feet by 13 feet. Just add your accessories and enjoy. Play like a pro with the K66 rubber bumpers. They provide consistent ball rebound, improved shot accuracy, and enhanced control. It also reduces wear and tear, ensuring quieter gameplay. The built-in leg levelers ensure a balanced playfield every time. The scratch-resistant top rail is built to withstand strike after strike, ensuring it lasts. Enjoy a classic aesthetic with convenient ball retrieval. These pockets eliminate clutter and provide a smoother gameplay experience. What we like. This table comes with improved packaging to prevent shipping-related damages. It's a traditional billiards table in a game room size. It also features premium rubber bumpers for consistent ball rebound. If you like a classic aesthetic and want a table that plays like the pros, you should consider it. What people say. The table is well built and sturdy. The felt is smooth and allows for accurate shots. The pockets are the perfect size for easy ball retrieval. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.